What's up everybody, how's it going? Matt Sweets here, and today we have a huge announcement. Today we are kicking off our Sponsor Me Sweets video contest. That's right, we are throwing it back to the ways of old. We haven't done one of these in over 7 years. The last time we did this, we got some of our favorite Kendama players on the Sweets team. Coop's gonna show you them right here.
My name is Brandon Meyer, I'm 15 years old.
What's up, I'm Cooper Eddy, and I'm 17 years old.
My name is Jenny Kress, I'm 11 years old.
My name is Max Norcross, 20 years old.
It was so epic. So many amazing videos were entered, and we're gonna run it back because there are so many new players in the community that we don't even know exist. So instead of hand-picking our next players, we wanna see your videos, and the Sweets team is gonna pick it. Now let's get into the rules of the contest. All right, here's the contest rules and some tips on how to enter. So the first thing is it's gonna be YouTube formatted, so make sure you are filming landscape, side to side. It's gonna make your video look the best. Make sure you know how to edit it up. You can do it on your iPhone, that works too. But just make sure you're editing the right way, because it's the first thing we're gonna look for when we're viewing these videos. They can be up to 2.5 minutes long. What we're really looking for is who you are and why you're looking to be sponsored by Sweets Kendamas. Now you can do this all in 2.5 minutes. I would suggest doing an interview and showing us your Kendama play mixed in with your editing skills. There are a lot of good examples from past contest winners on how to do this if you're a little confused on how to make your video look. Like years past, this is gonna be a 2-video competition. So we're gonna judge your first videos to get you into the second round of contestants, and then you will make a second completely different video really showcasing your Kendama skills and solidifying that spot on the team. We could be adding 1 player, we could be adding 6. It really is all up to you and how awesome of videos you make. The final step to entering is going to our website, clicking the contest link, and entering your URL via our Google form. We're gonna give you 2 months from the day that this video drops to film your edits. Now I know that's a long time, but we're really looking for some high quality entries, so we hope that you use the time wisely. We're stoked to be doing this on YouTube like we did back in the day, and I hope to see a ton of amazing entries. If you win one of the spots on the team, a question you might be asking is, what's Sweets gonna expect of me? Well, the first thing and foremost is that we want everyone to be active on social media. It's where we really spread Kendama. It's how people find out about us every day. So having TikTok and Instagram accounts where you post tricks is super important to us. Also, we're looking for someone who likes to compete in Kendama. We have some of the best competitors in the world on our squad, and we would love for some of the new players to want to compete as well. We're looking for someone who's able to travel. We don't pay for every single flight to every competition, but if there is an opportunity that arises, we'd love to have someone that's able to fly around and travel for Kendama as well. Another thing that we expect of all our pros is to be great teachers, because without being great teachers, Kendama cannot spread and grow. So we definitely expect all of our pros to be involved, whether it's at NACO, doing judging, or being out at your local schools teaching programming through the Sweets Kendamas Foundation. In general, we are just looking for someone who is really excited to make Kendama a bigger part of their life and to help spread Kendama bigger and farther than it's ever been. So you may be asking, Sweets, what do I get if I win? Well, first thing is you get whatever you want. I'll send you a package of whatever damas you want from the website. Secondly, every month we send you new Kendamas to help test, to help make content for. Lots of new damas in your future. Secondly, you get a coupon code personalized for you that you can make money off of. Thirdly, if you want to enter any Kendama contest, we will flip the bill for that. We don't pay for room and board or for flights all the time, but we do pay for your entry always. As a team member, you get featured in team edits on our YouTube channel and get posted regularly on our Instagram account. There's always the chance of moving up the ranks in the Sweets squad and getting yourself a pro model. It just all depends on how hard you work and how dedicated you are to Kendama. Lastly, you get to call yourself a Sweets team member. Our team is a family comprised of some of the best competitive players in the world, some of the most legendary Kendama players in the world, and some of the nicest people you will ever meet. We're really excited to watch all the entries. Good luck, have fun, and we'll see you in round 2. Peace.